Hey everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can easily make a transition using the Filmstrip mask on CapCut. So for this edit, you need to add two photos to CapCut and set each duration to 3 seconds like this. So after that, just click on the first photo, go to animations. So click on in and select the rock horizontally animation. Okay, set it all the way to 3 seconds and then go to the second photo, click on combo and select the fall left animation. Okay, set it all the way like this and then click on a check icon and export the clip. So after this you need to start a new project with the video that you've just exported. Okay, so this one, and then just split the video in half where the photo changes. So in here, oops, click on split and then make the second clip as overlay. Then trim the start of the first clip 0.5 seconds so that the first clip is become 2.5 seconds, and then move the second clips to where you're liking. So I'm going to move it in here like this, and then after that click on the second clip and go to mask, then select Filmstrip. So it will go like this. Click on a check icon, it will go like this if you see. Okay, and then after that add a keyframe at the beginning of the second clip and then move forward a bit and add another keyframe to where you want to make the photo in full size. Then go to mask again, and here just zoom out the masking to make it full size like this, and then click on a check icon, and now you are done. So here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's how you can make a transition using the masking feature, the Filmstrip masking. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment and subscribe. Bye.